If you need to enter an opening balance for your accounts receivable or payable, you'll need to enter each individual invoice that makes up the balance through the Transaction Entry screen. Select the Transactions menu and then Transaction Entry. First, choose Payable Charge or Receivable Charge as your transaction type. Then, choose the date. Make sure it is the same date that is found on the historical invoice. Next, you'll need to enter the customer or supplier information for the invoice, as AgExpert uses contacts to keep track of outstanding invoices. Let's enter Joe Customer as one of my customers. I'll click Add, and I'll enter first name Joe, last name Customer. Then, I'll give Joe a credit limit of $10,000 to avoid credit limit warnings. I'll save it. Then I'll select Joe from the list. Next, you'll need to enter the invoice number as the reference. Then enter the description and total. The account type will be income, and the account in this case will be for custom work. I'll search for it and select it, and if you have tax information to enter, put it here. Click on Record. Your first warning will say that the invoice date is outside of the current fiscal year. This is correct as we're entering historical information. Click Yes. The next warning will say that although there is tax paid on this invoice, it is assumed that it has already been claimed in a previous fiscal year, and therefore no further action is necessary. As this is also correct, click Yes. Continue this process until all historical invoices have been entered. When you are finished entering all of your historical invoices, click Close. You can see the new Accounts Receivable Opening Balance by choosing Opening Balances in the Setup menu.